So we have two of the most common ways to read a table, right? And notice that they all start with find, right? And so this is a very common naming convention, oftentimes referred to as finders, right? Implement the finders, and they all start with find, followed by some criteria, right? A sentence or a phrase that describes the criteria by which you are finding, right? The most common ones are I want them all, or I want just one of them. Those are the most common ones. But you can certainly implement any other types of finders based on your criteria. Or it could be I want the movies that have a particular rating, or that were released between a particular year and some other year, whatever, right? Or the movies that have a title that starts with or contains this title. So you can certainly implement any number of finders, but these are the most common ones, right? So let's go on. Let's now play around with maybe creating a new movie. So let's see. Let's create a brand new movie. Blade Runner. A new movie. So this is the IMDb. I don't remember the IMDb. Actually, I have a website that might tell me. I don't have my key. I don't remember my key. Oh, I might have it. Wait. Oh, there's my key. So, Blade Runner. I don't think that's it. Is it? Rockwell Tools Blade Runner? Blade Runner? Did I misspell it? Blade Runner, okay, 82. Okay, this is the IMDb, so I'll use that. The title is Blade Runner plot. So plot do robots dream of electric sheep. That's the original title, and some JPEG. Here we go. So that's a movie, right? I would like to be able to insert that. So we would want to do something like DAO dot create movie, and we want to pass in Blade Runner, which doesn't exist yet, right? So let's create it. There it is, movie Blade Runner, and we'll create. I'm going to copy most of this content. We're not going to return anything. Not returning anything. And the same thing, connection, movie, we don't really need this. So this is the movie. This is the movie. Connection, blah, blah, blah. The driver. This will be something like insert into movies. And this will be something like values. And this will be IMDb ID, the title, the plot, and the poster. And these values will be here. This will be the movie.getIMDb, right? What else? Comma. I can break this, and this will be movie.getTitle, right? And then comma. Wait, did that work? Was that broken right? I think so, right? Wait, did I put a comma before? I did, okay. So this will be comma. I did the comma already, and this will be movie dot get plot, comma. I don't think I'm doing it right. Movie dot get poster. All right, I think maybe we want to put a breakpoint here. See if that string looks right. Ah, where'd it go? Movie DAO. Where's the create? Where'd it go? There it is. Let me put a breakpoint right there. All right, so let's see. Then it would execute the update, execute update the SQL. It doesn't really return anything, and there's no if statement. It'll just execute the update. All right. All right. And let's print out the SQL statement just to see what is it that we just wrote. SQL. All right, let's run this. Let's run it. See if I feel lucky. Insert. Oh, it did. It worked. Right. So inserted Blade Runner. Notice that it's there in our query for all the movies. It did come back with Blade Runner, and that's the query. There it is. Right. So with the IMDb, the title, the plot, and the poster. Okay. All right, so let's do one more. Let's do delete. Right, we're going to be able to remove movies that are already there. So let's do that. Let's remove this weird one with HH. Right. Let's remove that. And let's see. Let's go back here. In here we created Blade Runner. I'm not going to insert it again, so I'm gonna comment it out. Right. So I don't insert it again. Instead, I'm going to delete. I'd like to be able to do something like DAO dot delete movie, and I would provide maybe the IMDb of it. So I'll provide H. Right, that's a weird movie in there. Let's implement it. There it is. Let's copy most of the content here for create movie. I'm going to paste it in here, and the command it'll be something like delete from movies where IMDb is equal to the IMDb. Oops. IMDb ID that comes in as an argument. And I think that's it, right? That's all we need. So we can remove all this. That's it. So that's the delete. We print it out. We execute the query, execute the update, and don't return anything. So let's try that. And notice that right after we delete, we're going to print out all the movies. Hopefully that movie won't be there anymore. So let's run that query. Okay, and indeed it's not there anymore, right? It's gone. Oh no, we have one more to do. Let's do the update. Let's update this one. We hear this weird movie there, IMDb title. Let's change that. I'm going to do that next.